Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I am going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here I need to analyze the market. Okay, so if you analyze this market, how many levels we are seeing? We are seeing a level here. Okay, so we are seeing a level here, and we can see a level here, and we can see a level here. Okay, so we have these 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. Okay, we have this level. Let me show you again. We have this level, second, third, and fourth, and now you can consider it as a fifth. So let me adjust the lines here. Now you can see this is the level. Okay, so now if I zoom out the market here, I'm not seeing a level on the left side, so the next level will be like this, from this point to this point. So this is the level, and if I draw another line, let me show you. This is my next level. Okay, so this whole area is a seller's entry point. Now you can see this candle is making a new low, and it is a sign of continuation. So again I can go with the sellers from this point. So I have taken my trade in a down direction. Why? Because this candle is showing us that the market will go down, and the next level, the next expected area is here, from where the market can reverse. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction, and my entry point is very good, so I will win this trade. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so now you can see I'm winning this trade. So let me take trades again. Okay, so now again I can go with the sellers. Why? Because I have already drawn the levels here. The level is here, the level is here, or the level is here. These are the areas, and if I draw a trend line, there is no level. So therefore the next candle is also going down. You can see market is moving in this range. So therefore I took my trade. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now from this point I can expect, from this point I can expect a buyer's entry also, because this is also a level. So let's see what happens. The candle closes with a gap. I will go with the, okay, so now you can see I won my trade here. So I need a 5 second to go with the buyers. I need a good 5 second confirmation. Okay, I took it. So the candle will go up and will close above my entry point. Now you will see. Let me secure myself. Okay, I have taken 2 trades here. Okay, the market will go up because I took my confirmation as a green candle in this candle. So candle closed at the level with a rejection. So let's see what happens. Market has to close above our entry points. So let's see. You can see market is going up, and here I have taken my trade. So let's see what happens here. So this is my, Okay, so this is my last trade, and now you can see market is going up exactly from that level. So in this way we can win each and every trade by analyzing the market properly. So I was confused here because of this strong seller's entry, therefore I took two trades with a margin of safety, and I want to show you here in this market the candle closed as a bullish because we knew that the level is very strong level, and now you can see because of our late entry or because of the entrance of the sellers, we took this trade, but the entry point was a bit high, so I can again go with the buyers confidently from this area. So let's see what happens here. You can see again the candle closed exactly at the level, so therefore I have taken my trade in an up direction, and this candle is making a new high, so therefore the next candle can easily go up. And if you compare this candle with this one, this is a weak candle, so the sellers shifted their area here, so here we will win this trade also. So this will be my last trade, and I will discontinue this session after this trade. So let's hope for the best. You can see market is going up. So if you want to learn this kind of trading, you can contact me and we will do the sessions. And if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So stay blessed, you all have a blessed day ahead. So let me explain again the trades. You can see here I have drawn the levels here in front of you all. So this candle in the middle of the trend worked as a sign of continuation, so I took my trade and I won this first trade. So the levels were here and here. Okay, so now let me show you my second trade here. Now you can see here, if you compare these two candles, you can see a pattern, engulfing type pattern, but because of this strongness of the candle, the level was here, therefore I took my trade and I won this trade. Okay, so let me show you my third trade here. I took my trade with this candle and I won because this candle closed, the previous candle closed with a rejection exactly at the level, so therefore I won my trade here. After that you can see this candle made a new high, and now you can see the level is here and the candle level is here, candle closed exactly at the level, so therefore we won our trade here. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So stay blessed, you all have a blessed day ahead. So bye for now, have a blessed day ahead, bye.